Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be doing our multi-step problems. And it says here, a store had 254 oranges in a bin. If they threw away 122 of the old ones and put 228 new ones in a bin, how many would be in the bin? Well, let's first ask ourselves what they are asking us. They're asking us how many would be in the bin. Now, the store had 254 oranges in the bin. And the first part of our problem says they threw away 122 old ones. There are a few ways that you can do this problem, but we're going to do it like this. The first part of our problem, we're going to create a equation with those numbers, 254 and 122. And my word that I have right here says throw away, that action word. So what do you think that means? If you said subtract, you are right, my friends. I'd love all of you to write down your HTO chart and write your numbers so we can solve this together now. So we always look at our ones place first, right? And let's start subtracting. 4 minus 2 is 2. Very good. Now we go to our tens place. 5 minus 2 is 3. Correct. Now I go to my hundreds. 2 minus 1 is 1. So now we have 132 oranges left. But we're not finished, are we? No, we are not, my friends. It says, the next part of our problem says that if he threw these old ones away, he put 228 new ones in the bin. I'm going to circle that number. So if he put, that's the action word right here, what is that going to mean that we're going to do for our next equation? Think about it. If you said add, you are correct. So we are taking our difference right here of 132 plus 228. Let's add them. I'm going to get out my pen. So we first look at our hundreds place. 2 plus 8 is 10. We put our 0 down here and our 1 right here. We're regrouping this. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. Very good. 1 plus 2 is 3. Wonderful job. We have 360 oranges in our bin. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, our next multi-step problem says Katie had 131 songs on her MP3 player. That's a lot of songs. If she deleted 57 old songs from it and then added 64 new songs, how many songs does she have on her MP3 player? So this is a multi-step, right? We have a few steps we need to solve this problem. So first we need to know, what are they asking us? They're asking us how many songs does she have on her MP3 player? And it says Katie had 131 songs, right? But what happens if she deleted 57? What do you think deleted would mean, my friends? Think about it. Addition or subtraction? If you said subtraction, you are correct. Let's take a look at our equation. 131 minus 57. Let's solve this together. Okay, so we always look at our ones place first, right? So, is there more on top or more on the floor? If you said more on the floor, you are correct. We need to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm going to cross out this 3, and that's going to become my 12. And this is going to become 11. So 11 minus 7 is what, boys and girls? If you said 4, you are correct. Now let's look at our tens place. 12 minus 5 is, if you said 7, you are correct. Very good. Now don't forget to cross out that 1 and make it a 0 because we got our 12 from this. We regrouped. Okay. But are we done with our problem, my friends? We are not. It says she then added 64 new songs. So if she added 64 new songs, what do you think we'll have to do with the next part of our problem? If you said add, you are correct. We're going to take our difference and we're going to add the 64 new songs to our problem. So we look at our hundreds place. 4 plus 4 is, we have to look at our ones place. Excuse me, my friends. 4 plus 4 is 8. Very good. Now we look at our tens place. Our tens place says 7 plus 6 is 13. So my 3 is going to go right here, and I'm going to put my 1 in the hundreds place, right? Because I'm regrouping. 1 plus nothing, or 1 plus 0 is 1. So how many songs does she have on her MP3 player? 138. Very good. Let's go to our last multi-step problem. Okay, boys and girls, this is our last multi-step problem, and you guys are going to solve this all on your own at home and send us your answers. It says, a florist had 311 roses. If she sold 215 of them and then later picked up 132 more, how many roses would she have? I have your HTO charts set up all over here. Make sure you think about what they are asking you. Circle your numbers. Find your key and action words to figure out if you're adding or subtracting when you are solving your problem. Okay, friends, until next time.